Hello everyone. In my CSS selector video, I had explained there are three ways we can select tags to apply a style. Either select a single tag or multiple tags or all the tags. In this blog I am writing, only title can have font size 30. So I am applying this style inline. So it becomes single selector. I want description to be gray and smaller in font. So just this tag should have this style. So I'm using this ID selector. Second, I want all the paragraph headings to be same. So I want multi selectors. So I'm using this class selector and applying this class to multiple tags. So all this paragraph heading will look same. If I want to change the font of this paragraph heading, I can change it at one place. Now I want all this text to be same looking, that is font family Arial. So I'm applying using tag selector so that all the p tags will have the same style. Now using these three basic CSS selectors, we can write any type of HTML page with any kind of styling. But for advanced use cases or to simplify the process of creating CSS, there exists some advanced CSS selectors called as combinators. So in this video, I'll explain what are combinators and why we need that. So for example, in this blog, I want to write some content. So under the heading, I want to write 3 lines. So I'll again use P and I will say line 1, P, line 2, P, line 3. So now as you can see, all these 3 lines looking similar to the heading. So we want to apply different style to these 3. So best way is to add a CSS class selector. So I'll say para and make this gray and font 18. So now what I'll have to do is apply class to all this p tags. Right? So now all these 3 becomes gray and font 18. I think we should make it 14. So this way we can add more content inside this paragraph 1. So when we keep on adding more content, we can add it inside a div. Now if similar div we want in para 2, para 3, we'll have to apply CSS to all the p tags inside that. Now suppose what we can do is not apply this class to all the p tags, but to have an option where we can say that all the paragraph inside a div should be gray and 14 size without applying this class. Like at the top level, we can say that all the p tags should have font family Arial. So all the p inside this HTML page will be font family Arial. But instead of for whole page, I want all the tags inside the div to have this same style, so that I don't have to keep on applying this class to all the p tags. Suppose in line 4 I forgot that, then it will look different. Now again I'll go and find and fix this. So what is one solution where we don't have to do these repetitive tasks? I just want to know which p tags are inside this div or inside a div, so that I can apply this tag. So in that case I'll use combinators. That means this style will be applied to all the p tags inside a div. Right? So it's a combination, div and p, all the p tags inside this div. So you can see I don't have this para class, but this style has been applied to all these p tags. So now I can just remove this class. And still works. So now I don't have to apply this style to all the p tags I'll be creating inside this div. Even if I 100 p tags, 100 lines, I don't have to apply CSS to all those. This will take care of that. So one small change and this CSS styling becomes easier. Right? So without this also we can do the styling, but this makes things easier. So as you can see, this is a combination, a p tag inside a div tag. Right? There can be many such combinations. So in the next video I'll explain different combinations in detail with more examples.